How would you like a simple, fast way to generate $1,000 in daily passive commissions? This is exactly how much my new JavaScript Commission Bot is generating me right now. Hi, my name is Jono Armstrong, and you're about to see...
Here we go again, a little scammy sales pitch.
Who the heck are you, and what are you doing in my office?
Don't worry about me. I'm just here to represent the people against hoodwinkers like you.
Hoodwinkers? I'm not trying to hoodwink anybody. In fact, I was just explaining how my new JavaScript Commission Bot is generating me daily passive sales.
Yes. I'm sure I would catch you doing some of these shenanigans. What's the big promise this time? Unicorns farting dollar bills in the night?
Unicorns what? Look, I'm happy to share with you more about what this does, but it's definitely no scam. And I was just in the middle of sharing this before you barged in.
No scam? So some kind of hack then, for sure.
It's not a hack either. It's just an ultra fast way for anyone to realistically bank 4 figures in a single day with completely free traffic.
Blah, 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 blah. I've heard this all before. 4 figures in a single day with free traffic. There's no way.
Look, I know you're skeptical, but let me ask you this question. Could you unlock your iPhone with your face 5 years ago?
No, but what's that got to do with...
But now you can, right? You see, due to advances in technology, things that weren't possible 5 years ago are 100% achievable today. And thanks to new tech, my team and I have developed a software that turns free traffic into automated commissions, easier than ever before. Hey!
Oh,
I thought you wanted answers.
Just got a bit distracted there.
Tell me about this method.
Oh, thank you. Well, you know, actually, you've just proved a very important point. You see, these days, people are super distracted by the state of global affairs. They don't want training. They don't want courses. They don't want super complex things. They just want results. And with JavaScript Commission Bot, you can skip straight to the results without having to create videos, without having to create content, without having to build an email list, deal with autoresponders. In fact, you can forget about all of that complex usual stuff because it's all done for you.
Yeah, but how will I make money without those things?
Because the basics of making money online consist of 2 things, traffic and offers. My piece of JavaScript code will grab free traffic from both Instagram and Twitter, and it will then monetize it using done-for-you funnels that I've created on your behalf.
Hang on. Instagram and Twitter, are you nuts? I've got a friend who took 4 years to build up a following of 10,000 people, and then the software got shut down. 4 years! And come on, who uses Twitter anyway? At this rate, you'll have more luck farting unicorns.
I thought you were keeping an open mind on this. Anyway, do you want to know how this software made me £4,281, that's $5,344, in the last 3 days or not?
Okay, shatter me with your wise words, oh wise one.
Okay, it works like this. Instagram and Twitter traffic is blowing up right now. With all the controversial issues happening around the world, celebrities and influencers are speaking out on those platforms. And because everyday people need to feel connected, they're following more of their favorite personalities. It's basic psychology.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, JavaScript Commission Bot connects you directly with these people without paid ads. It's completely free.
Nice try. But Twitter and Instagram will get shut down in a heartbeat doing this. I mean, they're not in the business of giving away free traffic, right?
That is the cool part. You see, this operates at a browser level and is fully compliant and can never stop working. You just plug it in, and then your free traffic automatically goes to your done-for-you high-paying affiliate offers that I've pre-tested for you. You can earn up to $400 in commission per click, so it's super easy to turn this into a 4-figure profit day.
But I don't have an Instagram or a Twitter account, and I don't really want one either.
It's okay, no worries. You don't even need to use your own accounts. And you never need to post anything or hang out on these platforms either, because it's completely automated.
Okay, I'll admit that this does actually sound pretty cool, but won't it get saturated?
Not a chance. My developers are the best in the game, and nobody else has access to this kind of tech.
Okay, sure. But there's got to be some kind of steep learning curve. I mean, how many hours of videos do I have to go through? Like 22 hours?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yep. 10 minutes is all it took for my beta testers to start earning money. And they're all earning money. And before you ask, most of them are newbies. Some of them have never made any money online before. So you're saying that this is backed by real people, it's beginner friendly, it takes less than 10 minutes to set up, and I can start generating $1,000 a day completely free of charge? You nailed it. You should write ads for me. How much do you charge? I'm kidding. Just use JavaScript Commission Bot. It's the easiest all-in-one system that you've ever seen. Okay, look, I'm tempted, but I'm still not convinced. Well, we got a 14-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't absolutely love it, you get a refund. So it's completely risk-free to try this out. Just simply click on the button down below, and you can get started for a very small one-time price. Yeah, but you know something? I don't entirely like your look, and I don't really want to give you my money either. I was actually starting to like you, but it's your call. And honestly, it makes absolutely no difference to me whatsoever whether you choose to invest in this today or not. Me and my beta team are going to continue making the easiest money we've ever made online using this system. But you got to do what's right for you. I actually have a YouTube channel packed full of free content if you're interested, but it's going to take you a lot longer to figure it out on your own, and you'll have to invest in some softwares as well. But what if I want to get those fast results and I don't want this learning curve? Then just pick up JavaScript Commission Bot by clicking on that button down below, and you can get started right away today. Okay, just one last question. Is the internet lifestyle as good as I keep hearing? I mean, this place looks all right, but I'm not seeing any private jets in the driveway. I'm not into any of those fancy material things. I much prefer getting away as often as I can. You see, to me, the internet lifestyle is all about being able to bank thousands of dollars a day while having adventures like these.